want to straighten up a couple of issues that have been outlying in the community. Is Jake here?
Yes, he's in the office, but he can't see you right now. That's the thing.
I'm as transparent as I can be. You know something? I don't talk to anybody.
You know what? No, you don't. You can be as rude as you want to be, and I'll get it right here.
Police and thieves in the street. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. My name is Christopher King. I'm here with KingCast.net. I'm hoping to get a chance to speak with Attorney Conley. I want to straighten up a couple of issues that have been outlying in the community.
All right, so Christopher King, and what is the name of the company you're with?
KingCast.net.
KingCast.net. And what is that? What's some kind of AR? Is it an agency? Or
Oh, no. That's my own website.
your own website?
Correct. I was a reporter for major media years ago, and I was an assistant state attorney. And what D.A. Conley, 3 years ago, during the Dan Talbot murder investigation, I videotaped that trial.
Yes.
And he flat out told me in the hallway he didn't want to talk to me, and he says, I don't have to talk to anybody. So he and Jake Wark,
Yeah.
Jake is laughing at me, and D.A. Conley walked out on me in the hallway, and I videotaped all that. But then I heard him at Flames the other day say that he was completely transparent.
Oh,
And so I'd like to have him reconcile these two
yes.
events.
I understand.
And I also had a question regarding upper echelon hiring of minorities.
Oh, okay. Have a seat. I'll see if I can get somebody for you.
That'd be great, thanks.
In your office, how many people in positions of power are of color
I'm as transparent as I can be.
as the district attorney?
Full disclosure, okay, I let you go from my office, number one.
Let me go?
Yeah, I gave you a chance. Okay? I gave you a chance.
That is precious. That is precious. No, that's
I
precious.
gave you a chance when other people wouldn't.
That's precious.
About diversity in the higher ranks of your office.
Remember Stacy Ford's wife?
She's no longer there. What are you talking about now?
Do you remember Stacy Ford's wife?
She's now a judge, yeah.
Okay,
So now, currently. All right.
What position did she have in the office?
That's not my question.
Exactly the question you wanted to ask Dan Conley.
Well, I want him to reconcile his statement at Flames that he was completely transparent versus his treatment of me 3 years ago when he said I don't have to talk to anybody. And then I also had a question regarding upper echelon hiring and retention of minorities. That was a question that was posed at Flames, but it was never really answered. And you're not on film, by the way.
Pardon me?
You're not on video.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
I don't mind anyway. Jake said that you could put a call in any time, so do you want me to try and set up an appointment or something? Can I take your phone number?
Yes, I flew in from the West Coast for this.
Oh, you did?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I had other business too, but I'll be here through Friday, so
Friday. Okay, let him know. Do you have a number I can give it to you?
yes, we can schedule that post-haste. My number is 617-543-8085.
Yep. Okay, have your name, have your website, and he knows your questions, so I'm going to have him call you.
Okay.
All right?
Terrific. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
As well.
I would have took my glasses off.
Ah, no, I didn't get your
Sorry
picture.
that. Bad enough.
Well, you know, my website's kind of incendiary, so people like you who are just here working, I don't want you drawn into the flames. This is between Jake and Dan and me.
All right.
So, is Jake here?
Yes, he's in the office, but he can't see you right now. That's the thing. He told me to get your number.
Okay. I'll deal with that now. Hopefully he will call and we'll have a chance to do this the right way.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm as transparent as I can be.
You know something? I don't talk to anybody.
You know what? Boy, how was it that murder?
Are you a credentialed member of the press?
I'm a
Show
member of the press.
Show me your
How
credentials.
was it that murder two got
Show
on?
me your
How was it that murder
credentials.
two got on?
Show me your credentials, okay?
I don't have to.
Show your credentials. If you're not a member, a credentialed member of the press, I'm not going to.
You know what? I'll get that for you. I mean, what?
You know something? I don't talk to anybody.
You know what? No, you don't. You can be as rude as you want to be, and I'll get it right here. Ladies and gentlemen, this just in. I forgot about this, but even in his latest endeavors, DA Dan is inextricably tied to me through Casey Sherman. You see, they exhumed the body to prove that DeSalvo was most likely involved in the murder of Casey Sherman's aunt in the Boston Strangler massacres and tragedies, okay? Now, thing it is, I worked for Terry Gilbert 20 years ago, and that was tied in with the old F.B. Bailey case and the Sam Shepard case, and we exhumed a body 18 years ago. That case came in when I was working for him. But anyway, that's a different matter. But anyway, bottom line here is that Casey Sherman committed me for my efforts, all right? So some people in Franconia believe I did a better job than Casey, but be that as it may, the point is, you're talking about credibility, Dan. Well, your new best friend gave me all the credibility I needed. Huh. How about them apples?
Family. There are also other people I have to point out tonight that literally helped with the book. Chris King, who's not only a photographer but a pretty good researcher and investigative journalist himself. Okay. He sent some documents my way when the trail ran cold.